So it has recently come to my attention that macOS has a couple of features that Windows just simply doesn't, and I don't know why. I know Windows has a lot of features missing compared to macOS, but this one in particular I don't understand because the solution is right there. So the thing that I'm talking about in this case is previewing raw images. Raw images are images that have tons of data in them. So normally when you take a picture on your phone, you have JPEGs. JPEGs have basically a compressed amount of data available for that image. So they take all the data that they need and they throw everything into the tin can that they don't need, saving space on your phone. A raw image doesn't do that. It keeps all the data, which is something like 30 megabytes in most phone cases, even on my Canon camera. And all that data can be used and it can be previewed. Although Windows currently cannot, and macOS can. So in macOS, when you go into Finder, your file explorer alternative for macOS basically, and you look through your files, you can actually see all the previews of all the files of all the photos that you took. It even has a proper icon next to it that represents the data that's in it. In Windows, that's not the case. In Windows, you just get a white blank thing that doesn't show anything, in case you don't even have something to edit the raw photos. If you do have something to edit the raw photos, like Adobe Camera Raw, you will see a kind of a Adobe Camera Raw icon show up. And that's all fine and dandy, but that's not what I want to see. I want to see the actual image. I want to see the thing that I just took a picture of, and I want to see a preview of it without opening any external software. So it turns out there is actually a solution to this, and it's actually quite simple. There's tons of stuff that Windows just basically doesn't install, that just doesn't bother to install. I don't know why. By default, it really should. It really should. This I first discovered when I was using H.265 video codec, which is the codec that I use to encode my videos. But that aside, the solution is very, very simple. Just go to the Windows Store and search for Raw Image Extension. And when you find it, you can download it, install it, open up your file explorer, look at your raw images, which previously showed a white blank icon, and now will actually show a proper preview of your files. So of your raw files, you can now finally see a preview. If you don't see the preview, go up to the View tab in File Explorer up at the top and click on Preview pane to make it show. Alternatively, you can also use Alt+P in order to open up the preview window through shortcuts. Now you can actually view them and enjoy it, and I hope you guys have learned a ton of this video. Now that has been it. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get notifications, hit that bell icon. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the dislike video if something could be done better. And leave a comment to let me know what you think. Or maybe you have some extra tips and tricks that you want to share with the audience. And if it's good enough, I'll even feature you in a future video and give you credit in the description down below. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.